From your Go.iOPW dashboard, click on the Pages tab. On the Pages tab, locate the page you would like to apply the change to and click the Detail button. On the Page Detail page, click on the Edit button. On the Edit Page page, scroll to the bottom and click on the Next Content button. Once in the Page Editor, decide where you want to add a button for your PDF download. In the Content side panel, scroll down until you find the PDF button block. Once located, click and drag the PDF button block onto the desired area of the page. Next, click on the Download button and select the Edit Link icon that appears. In the Edit Link pop-up that appears, click on the link icon located in the Links section. In the PDF Uploader pop-up, click on the Download icon located in the top left. Choose the appropriate PDF from your File Explorer and click Open. Click the PDF file that now appears in the PDF Uploader pop-up and click Select. Now back in the Edit Link pop-up, select the New Window checkbox if you want the PDF to download in a separate tab and click OK. Once the change is made, click Save and your new PDF button is live and functional.